Are you looking to find out how to replace the battery in your Jeep Renegade key? Then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. And welcome back to another video on my 2015 Jeep Renegade. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the battery found on our key to the car. Now, if you own another model of the Jeep and it uses the same key, the process will of course be the same. So it's nice and simple to do, and we're not going to need any tools to do it. All we're going to need to do is get our mechanical key out, which is that bit there. And there's just a little switch, you'll notice it next to the Jeep badge there. And we're just going to move that to the left and take out our mechanical key. Now, taking a look around the key, you'll notice there's the slot where the mechanical key goes back in, but just below that there's just a groove we can put our key in and give it a bit of a twist, and that allows us to actually open up the key. Now, looking inside the key, there's actually two halves, one with the printed circuit board, which actually has the buttons as well, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that into my pocket. Now, using our mechanical key, we can actually get our battery out, and you can see the battery just here. So just taking note that it's the model side, which is the negative side, is facing up, and we're just going to get that key into the side there so we can pop the battery out, and it just comes out like that. So taking a closer look at the key, this is not the original battery. This is a CR2032 battery, and it's 3 volts. Now, there's multiple brands that supply a battery like this, but as long as it is CR2032, then that is the correct battery. So once you've got the new one, just go ahead, put it back in the same way you took it out, which is with the writing facing down. We're just going to push it against that spring like so. And then we can go ahead and just get the other half of the key, click it in all the way around, and then of course return the mechanical portion straight in like that. And now we can go ahead and just test the buttons, which, as you can see, it's working perfectly. So I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.